Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a meat tenderizer, and I have some meat right here. I'll show you guys in a second. So let's see. This is what it looks like here, and it pops off there, so it kind of has this little section there. These come off here, I guess, to give it the, if you want to clean it or something, and you kind of line it all back up again, if I can. Let's see, can I line it all up perfectly? Yes, look at that. Oh wait, what does it say? Remove and fix press. Oh, there, it's back on. Okay, so you kind of tenderize it by pushing this in. It looks like it's got a million little holes. Here's the meat. Let me clean this off real quick here. Let's just go into hot mode and do a little cleaning here. Would you press to remove the whole thing, so I don't want to do that just yet. Okay, let's see, how are we? Okay, that should be clean, and the way we do this supposedly is, oof, man, I'm just doing this on a paper plate. Let's see if I push it down. There we go, now it pierced my chicken. Look at that, how cool. It's going all the way down, making a million little holes in my chicken. So my chicken is going to be the most flavorful chicken in all of Dallas, Texas tonight. There we go. That's a lot of holes. Okay, check that out. Okay, and you can see, I don't know, here, let me put this down. I'll hold it up. There, you can see all the little holes it made. How cool is that? So now I have tender chicken. So I'm gonna go cook this up and have myself some dinner. Thumbs up.